Here in Cambridge we have the Metropolitan Area Network, and I'm responsible for running the engineering side of that network, and we also operate a couple of small data centres from this premises, and I also look after those as well. Because we're an internet service provider, we have a background in data centres and have done for a long period of time. And so therefore we're used to what the new standards are for data centres of today, different tiering levels. The data centres that we use are in line with the Uptime Institute tiering standards. And so, for example, some of the Tier 3 data centres that we use. And in simple terms, what that means is that we have redundant power to the data centre, redundant cooling facilities, UPS backup systems to make sure that the load continues to be supported in the event of a mains power failure, long enough for the standby generator systems to then come online. So we use data centre facilities that have redundancy built into them. Certainly for our fibre services, we build in resilience by providing redundant dual paths to the customer's premises. From that point, because we provide managed services, the equipment that we deploy into customers' premises is managed by our network management team. And so if something occurs on that piece of equipment, then we probably know about it before the customer does. And oftentimes it is the case that we're calling the customer and saying, we can see something happening on that piece of kit, we'd like to investigate and find out what's going on. But most of the time, because of the redundant fibre that we put in, the customer can still work while we're investigating the issue.